the #1 viewer of your car is the owner.
Love affair with your car.
Any novice that looks at a car, they know it's a lowrider.
Right.
Car like this.
Yes.
I mean, obviously the tires, wheels, the stance, the color.
The stance is very important. It brings out the body styles, the stance does, like if you can see in this 49 Merc over here. That body style is just enhanced. It's a lot better looking slammed on the floor. Adam, this is a 63 classic lowrider with a multicolor candy flake and pearl paint job. And over here we have a 49 Merc slammed on the floor with plenty of chrome. So we got plenty of accessories and hoods and fenders to use your products on. So the latest we're gonna grab up here is called your Shine Master. Now, there's another thing I know about that, something about your product is that the products are made for professionals, but for amateurs, easier to use for everybody else. But I guess you went out and made them for what professionals would like.
It doesn't matter whether you got a professional shop or you're the do-it-yourself or weekend warrior guy, whether you got a finish like on these two gorgeous cars here, or your beater daily driver like I drive around every day, you know, banging around in traffic every day. The products are going to work on a factory finish or on a custom finish. You know, with this product, the key is thin applications.
Okay.
A little bit will go a long way.
You could see what you're putting on, which is cool.
Yeah, absolutely.
So you cover everything. You know your car's getting a quality job because you could see everywhere where you put it on there. You're not missing anything, but it only really took about a couple wipes and it was off.
Yeah. And I'm sure that you can feel that slickness, right?
Oh yeah. Oh, there's a bigger difference there too.
Yeah. Another great thing about this product, you can actually use it on chrome.
And I'm going to do that. You just read my mind. I'm going to go over this half of this front bumper and see what it does right now and see how easy it is to come off. So I saw what I just did. It didn't matter whether I left it on there long enough or wiped it on and took it off right away. There were no smears or anything. And you can tell, wow, it's like brand new again. It's nice.
No residue.
No, that's the way to clean chrome. How long does it take this product to actually take effect, and how long would it last?
You know, it's the cure time is maybe 24 hours, and what we mean by that is if you can avoid it, you know, washing the car or driving it in the rain for 24 hours after you put it on, you're going to get much more longevity out of it. But generally, we're seeing, you know, up to 6 months of protection out of the Shine Master.